Good morning everyone, and how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. So first of all, I would like to draw your kind attention toward this topic. Today we all are here for wonderful debate. As you can see that we all are ready to present our views in front of you. So let's start. Dear students, I would like to invite those students who will participate in debate. They are quickly ready to present our views. Debate will be on money versus time. I repeat this, debate will be on money versus time. They will discuss on money and time. That's it.
Good morning, my friends and dear audience. Now I would like to put my views on money topic. So let's start. Everyone knows that money is very useful for us. We can't imagine our life without money. So we should focus on this thing, how to earn money more and more. Money is that powerful thing for humankind.
Excuse me, listen what I say. You say that money is important for us, but I don't agree with your point because according to me, time is more important than money. We must focus on time, not in money. Time is such a powerful thing. We shouldn't waste it. So definitely time is very useful for us.
Excuse me, Krishna. I am now listening to your point. What did you say? Time is everything, nothing else. Suppose you have no sufficient time, you don't have a earning source. How will your survival in life without money? Tell me, I think money is everything in this era. There is no doubt in this point. Am I not right?
You are not right. I'm not agree with your point. Time is everything. Money is something. Someone said you lost your money, so you lost nothing. But if you lost your time, so you lost everything. Time teaches us how to go ahead in our life. Definitely, time is more useful than money.
Excuse me, dear Sonia. I would like to put my views against your point. What did you say? Time is more important than money. But my dear, we can't survive our life without money. Imagine that you have a lot of money, so you buy anything easily. You deserve to try. Understood? 21st century people want to earn more and more money. What did you say?
Excuse me, dear Suman, I have an objection to your point. Everybody knows that time is very useful for us. So we should want it to in our life. Becomes time is everything. So my dear, we must focus on it. Time is very important than money. That's all about.
Excuse me, dear. You try to exert your right on time topic. According to you, money is nothing. According to me, money is everything. You say time is everything at present, but dear, according to me, money is more useful than time. We should focus on money, not in time.
Excuse me. I agree with your point, dear, but you have looked my point. You said that in this everyone needs money. You can buy happiness with money. Suppose that you are millionaire with money. You can buy clock, not time, with money. You can buy bed, not sleep, with money. You can buy food, not good health. So listen, my dear, slowly, time is useful for us.
Excuse me, dear, I have an objection to your point. You say time is more useful than money, but dear, according to me, money is more useful than time. In this 21st century, everyone wants money more and more.
Sure, I'm not agree with your point. Time is very precious in our life. We should not waste it in any ways. Likewise, we should earn the money. We spend it, but we can't get the